Within our brushes, we can change the hardness of our brush, actually making our brush a bit softer or a bit harder depending on how we want to paint with it. So if we look at our screen here, we can see that I already have a brush selected, and it's at a 40% or a 40 pixel here. And if I come down here, you can see my hardness. My hardness is set at 100%. I can actually, well, let's leave it set at 100% first. And this is our straight 100% line. Well, if I come over here and select this again, I can actually bring this down. Let's bring it down. Actually, I'm going to key it in. I've already selected. Let's key it in to 50%. Actually, I've keyed it in at 40%. Either way. And when I brush it, you can see it's got this faded edge going on to it. Not quite as clear as this one right up here. And this is really good if you're painting an object and you want to get that nice blending around the edges in here. Let's grab another color here. Let's grab a blue. Alrighty. We're going to lay this blue right on top of this gold color we have here. And as you can see, it kind of blends the two together, giving a softer edge. So if you really want to get into the painting aspect of it, this is a great brush to use, or a great option to use on your brushes and know how to use. Another way to change the hardness of your brush is to hold down Shift, and using the same keys that you use to increase your brush size or decrease your brush size, your square parentheses, you can actually move it up or down. As you can see it right here on my palette, as it gets softer and harder, how soft or hard it will be. Bring it down. There you go. That's a very soft, fine, almost airbrush type style. So remembering your shortcut keys is a great way to change the hardness of it, especially if you're doing like a massive painting, if you're getting really into the whole classical painting style of it. So play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.